Okay. This motor is bad. Last time I was at this roof, I managed to get it to spin and stay spinning. But if I turn it off, let it stop spinning, and then try and turn it back on, unhappy. Nope. It's so mad at me right now. It's okay. I replace. Okay. I put the new motor in. I had to do some stuff. Here's the old motor. Oh. She's in rough shape. You probably can't see that. It's pretty rough. I've got the pulley off, all that. It's on there. I haven't turned it on yet. I haven't done it. I was waiting for you. Oh, I'm nervous. I did turn it on to check rotation, but there was no belt on it, no load. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That is how an exhaust fan is supposed to sound. Stay golden.